Hello everyone, this is GL from GL Tech School. In this video, I'm going to teach you Python from scratch. So basically what I'm going to do in this video, I'm going to make multiple videos about Python programming and put into one playlist that you can watch one by one and you can learn Python in an effective ways. So let's get started. What is Python? Python is a really popular programming language. It was released in 1991. Basically, programming languages are used to develop computer applications and softwares and mobile applications. Python is useful for many things. If you use Python, you can develop web. You can use Python for web development. You can use Python for software development, game development, mathematics, system scripting, AI and ML, and data science. So Python is really good for scripting. It has lots of frameworks supported, and there's a huge community in the Python developers, and you can get help and you can download many frameworks and you can develop your application in effective ways using Python. So that is why Python is very powerful. Python is useful for AI and ML and data science related projects. So nowadays AI and ML are the emerging fields and they are growing, so on and so forth. So if you want to get into AI and ML, I highly recommend you to learn Python as a first programming language. Why Python? Python works on different platforms such as Windows, Mac, Linux, Raspberry Pi, and so on and so forth. And Python is very easy to learn. So like I said before, if you take C or Java, you need to write a lot of code in order to do a small task. But in Python, you can write a fewer amount of code that will do your job in an effective way. Like I said before, Python works on multiple operating systems. For example, if you write a simple program in Windows using Python, you can run the same code on Linux or Mac on different operating systems because Python is a cross-platform programming language. Python runs on interpreter system, meaning that the code can be executed as soon as it's written. This means you don't need to compile anything. If you take Java, after you write program in Java, you need to compile it into bytecode. But in Python, you don't need to do any compilation. You just need to run the script. It will run your program in an effective ways without any problems if your syntax are right. Python can be treated into procedural way and object-oriented way. Python supports two types of programming, procedures and object-oriented way. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching this video. I highly recommend you to subscribe my YouTube channel. In the next video, I'm going to teach you how to install Python on your computer.